dear
Ayan po, late po kami.
please tell your parents
Anong
to
oras na?
pay
Time check.
our donation for
7:45. Putang
PTA.
ina.
Pwede naman ta makabayad kay August naman. So,
Ang dami namin guys. Ang dami namin para malate. Tsaka parusahan. So,
and your
what's
PTA
the point
payment and the
of
rest of those
like gathering us?
required in the monitoring.
Like sobrang dami namin. Aabutin pa kami ng hapon nito para magkuan. Para parusahan. Like,
Please
wala
ask
hell,
for
bakit
receipt
parusahan?
always. When you pay.
And madami is
Next,
haba na
we will also announce this morning the result of the intramurals. The
Cool lang yan, pero late din yan.
And I think the selected athlete for district will be announced later na lang.
Meron pa sa gawas guys.
Inspired
Mga di nakaabot sa trial card ni Richard.
I am so proud to
Diba?
say that Lorenzo Sarmiento Senior National High School was able to conduct the set
Tangina.
activities with flying colors.
Laki naman kumain ng oras nito, pati pa
Say to ourselves, I am proud being a
Ayaw tumingin, no?
Lorenzonian
Ayaw.
because I have done my part for the success of the set activities.
Okay, bye-bye guys.
Salamat ka.